this is the elevator here at the Sea-Watch Condominium parking deck in Ocean City, Maryland. Huh, it's modernized. Used to be old Otis, but look who got their hands on it, Delaware. I like these good old lanterns. 5. Close the door. I can't believe it's modernized. Used to be Otis Marvin Delaware. 2. 3. 4. Here 5. Kind of like the new fixtures so much. Yep, used to be old Otis. The view's beautiful. I think right over there must be another elevator. There's another elevator over there. Over there's the Rainbow Condo, where I won't explain about what happened back in 2002. And besides this, originally it used to be Otis, but yep, it's been modernized by Delaware. Used to be old Otis. Used to be old Otis, but modernized by Delaware. Yep, we got rid of the button. What the heck is this? Exploding? 1. Now we get our cameo. Man, can't believe this cameo used to be old. It used to be old Otis, but look, we got their hands on it. Delaware. Certificate ain't available, but we have your emergency phone button. Capacity, 1,200 pounds, 15 passengers. 3. 2. Here at 1, let the button go out. Can't believe they modernized this elevator. That's it.